How to close running apps on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, let me open some of the apps to show you how to close it. If you have iPhone 10 and above, swipe it upwards from the very bottom, and if you have lesser than iPhone 10, double tap your home screen and swipe up to clear your apps one by one. Now showing you how to do it faster. So sometimes you may have a very large amount of apps open on your phone. Now how to close it. Put 3 to 4 fingers on the screen and swipe up at once. And as many fingers you put on the screen, you'll be able to clear that many apps from your phone. Showing you the steps again, you can close one app at a time by swiping up, or you can close 2 or more apps at once. So that is how to close running apps on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.